Hey, this is Snehil from GB Media, and we have done a mini audit on your brand whose name is Legend, which come under the home and kitchen category. So when I was deep diving into your category, I got to know that the net sales have increased in month of December, followed by the month of July. Again, the sales have spiked in month of November. If I talk about the overall demand, I can see that the demand was high in month of December. Again, the demand has spiked up in month of August. Again, it has increased in month of November. These are the top of the popular keyword which is relevant to your brand and category. So you can see that this all keyword is having very high search volume. So when I check this keyword on the Amazon, I'm not seeing you are going very aggressive on these keywords. So for an example, if I just take this cookware sets and show you over here, so you can see that I have typed cookware sets, and on the sponsor brand placement, I'm not seeing you coming as a brand. Talking about the sponsor product placement also, I'm not seeing you are going very aggressive, because right now you can see that the Amazon Basic, the other brand, has taken over the placement. If I talk about the sponsor video, you can see that this Ninja Never Stick has taken over the placement. This is not the one keyword I have identified. If I show you the next keyword, which is my stainless steel cookware set, so you can see here as well your brand sponsor brand is not coming over here. This Caraway is bidding on this particular keyword. If I talk about the sponsor product placement, you can see this is Viking, this made in cookware, etc. are coming over here. Talking about the sponsor brand videos, you can see that this New Wave has taken over the placement. So securing the placement on the top of the search is very important, as 70 to 80% of the sale is happening via top of the search result only. Also, this is the brand keyword which I have checked that you are not going very aggressive on your brand search term, because right now if you see over here, you can see that other competitor is winning over here. Now on the sponsor product placement, you are coming here, but again the other 4 placement has been winning by someone else. Talking about the sponsor video, you can see that this again is winning by someone else. Also, I have seen in product opportunity tool that these all are the relevant keyword. But now if you see over here, the top 3 click product is not yours. You can see that this other competitor is getting most of the clicks. Also, I have deep dive into your listing, and I have realized that you are not doing defense campaign very aggressively, because right now you can see that the other seller is taking over your PDP. Now you can see that this third 3-ply Legend cookware is taking over the placement. If I show you below down, you can see that here as well, plus here as well, the other competitor is winning the placement. It's important to run a defense campaign so that you can safeguard your ASIN from the competitor. This is the mini audit we have done for you. If you are interested for overall audit, do connect with us, as we have shared the link with you, and you can fill the form as it is completely free.